As an abbreviated trading week draws to an early close, the U.S. stock market looks set to finish November with historically strong gains. Now, the blue chip Dow has risen about 12.9% so far this month, on pace for its best monthly performance since January 1987, as promising vaccine developments lifted confidence of a smooth economic reopening. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have also risen, climbing 11.3% and 11.9% respectively in November, both also on track to post the biggest monthly advance since April. Meanwhile, in the Forex market this afternoon, we first take a look at the Euro-US dollar pair intraday that sees the upside prevail. Moving on, the British pound-US dollar pair this afternoon intraday that seems to be turning downwards, while the US dollar-Japanese yen pair intraday that happens to be in focus as it's capped by a declining trend line. Now, the US dollar-Japanese yen pair is capped by a bearish trend line and by its declining 50-period moving average. Short positions below 104.25 are favored, with targets at 103.85 and 103.70 in extension. Moving on, the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees the upside prevail as long as 17,009 is the support. The pivot point for the Bitcoin dollar, 17,009. While over in precious metals, gold intraday sees its key resistance at 1818, and that's in focus. The gold pair is under pressure below the key horizontal resistance at 1818. Short positions below 1818 are favored, with targets at 1800 and 1795 in extension. This while silver intraday, that's under pressure.